stop debugging site changes. Your AI agent shouldn't be a scraper, it should be a decision maker. If your current ingestion pipeline is spending 80% of its compute cycles fighting site layout shifts, CAPTCHAs, and server blocks, you are not building a product. You are maintaining a fragile digital archaeology dig. The old model treats data acquisition as the bottleneck. The new paradigm separates acquisition from intelligence, offloading the messy work of parsing HTML into a dedicated extraction layer. Think of it like this: your scraper is the miner. The AI extraction service is the refinery. It takes the raw ore, the messy HTML, and reliably outputs pure, structured gold, clean JSON. This shift fundamentally changes your agent's role. It moves from being a low-level driver, perpetually worried about XPath decay, to becoming the high-level architect of business logic.